Welcome to Career Ready.ai. In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of completing a self-assessment on our platform. We'll cover 5 key steps: how to log in with email, run a self-assessment, provide qualitative feedback, add raters and review the analytics. Let's get started. First, you will receive an email from your coach. To begin the process, click the Login button. You will be redirected to the Set Password screen. Here you have to set your password to access your dashboard at Career Ready portal. If you can't find the login email in inbox, check your junk or spam. Once you're logged in, go to the self-assessment section. Here, you'll see a list of available assessments tailored to your profile. Select the assessment you want to complete and click Start. Follow the on-screen instructions to respond to each question or scenario as honestly as possible to get accurate results. After completing each competency, you'll be prompted to provide qualitative feedback. This is your chance to reflect on your strengths and areas for improvement. Write down your thoughts and any additional insights that will help further personalize your development plan. After the successful completion of your self-assessment, you will see Add Rater button if you have 360 assessment. You can also add your raters to get a 360 feedback. You must have to add more than one rater in each category to see the analytics. Finally, you can review the analytics of your assessment. Navigate to the Analytics tab, where you'll see a detailed breakdown of your results, including key performance metrics and areas where you excel or may need further focus. This data is essential for understanding your progress and planning your next steps. And there you have it. By following these 4 steps, you'll have completed a self-assessment, provided valuable feedback, and reviewed your progress. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team.